Why are you slapping Daddy, eh? Where's my kiss? Are you gonna kiss me? Give me a kiss.
Daddy.
Yes, give me.
Daddy.
Give me a kiss.
Daddy. Daddy.
I know what you want, but give me a kiss. Kiss Dada.
Daddy.
Demo Poopa. Come on. If I'll give you, are you gonna be a good boy? Huh? Yeah? Are you gonna be? Okay. Alright, let's see. Are you gonna be a good boy? Promise? Okay, alright, go to your chair. Go sit down on a chair. Okay. Alright. Okay, yeah, okay. Alright. So promise you're gonna be good. Are you gonna be good? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Alright, wait there. Wait there. Where's the thing from there? There.
Well, whether I support it or not, probably here and all that, I can't personally see that it would be useful.
Okay, see, Daddy got it. There, yeah? See ya. Where to put it there? Okay. But are you gonna be good? Yeah? Hold on, wait. No, sit there. Are you gonna be a good boy? Promise? Promise you're gonna be a good boy? Give me a kiss. Kiss Dada. Here. You promise me you're gonna be a good boy. There. You see I put it there. Come on, go. Oh, God.
Chief Operating Officer's comments. And they're saying safety is the number one priority for the NPAS. Our decision on whether or not to suspend operations or ground any NPAS aircraft is based on advice.
Give me a kiss. Kiss Dada.
Civil Aviation
Hey.
Authority. We remain in
Hey.
consultation. Currently, no notice from the CA or the original equipment manufacturers to ground any aircraft, so we have not done so.
Kiss.
It's just to clarify.
Give me a kiss.
What we've been talking about at the moment are the
Why did you put both of them in your mouth? Take one out. Take one out. Not both. They're too much in your mouth. Okay? Put one out. Okay? Naughty. Bate palma. Erik, bate palma. Mă, puțulică, bate palma. Nu-ți mai dau bomboane data viitoare dacă nu bați palma. Bate palma. No. Sit down. Erik. Okay? Bate palma. Yeah. Shake your hand. Yeah. Peace down with his Crawford chest. Bye. Bye.